know the math associated with it so that we can engineer them. Hey guys, so as we engineer our rockets, we need to know the math associated with it so that we can engineer them better, right? So we can get tangible data like our velocity, how do we increase that, and whatnot. So the first thing we need to do, let's try to tie some of the stuff we've already learned to our engineering process. I'd really like to thank Tri-County EMC for providing this opportunity for all teachers to receive a grant in their classroom. From my experience, these are some things I really would advocate and tell all teachers from my point of view. What this grant allowed me to do in my classroom was elevate my curriculum to a new level, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to buy all these materials I needed to, in this case, do my water rocket project and increase the rigor and the experience that students have in my classroom. So hand in hand, that also increased my student learning. Being a science teacher, one thing I'm always looking for is increasing the STEM opportunities. Well, STEM is expensive, and this grant allowed me to buy all the materials I needed to complete a project and also have enough materials to keep this project going, which I am grateful for in many ways. But the number one thing I really took from it that I think spans a greater amount of time is that it allowed me to increase my teacher knowledge. As a teacher, I grew as a teacher, and I can provide so much more experiences and knowledge to my students through this grant because it pushed me to, one, write it, to conduct it, and now I know more about my curriculum and how to provide this experience again. So I'm eternally grateful for Tri-County EMC, and I advocate for every teacher to apply for these grants and do it every single year. Even if the first year you do not receive one, which I did not, keep applying.